everyone. Today I will present a culture map of Sedano Valley, a hotel managed by Ayala Land Hotels and Resort Corporation. Sedano Valley is a modern business and leisure hotel located in the Valley Santa Rosa, Laguna. Managed by Ayala Land Hotels and Resort Corporation, it offers contemporary accommodations near parks, lakes, and commercial areas with facility for both business and relaxation. For its core values, customer satisfaction, excellence in service, integrity and professionalism, respect for diversity. SEDA focuses on treating both guests and employees with respect, ensuring high quality service and inclusive values. Next is employee behavior. Polite, friendly, and respectful, professional appearance, terms of uniform and grooming, team-oriented mindset, attentive to guest needs. Employees are expected to create a welcoming environment and maintain professionalism at all times. Next is cultural diversity practices. Cultural sensitivity and diversity training, equal opportunity employment, multilingual staff support, inclusive workplace policy. SEDA promotes a multicultural environment where employees and guests from different backgrounds feel valued and respected. Next is organizational practices. Standard operation procedures, greeting guests warmly with smile and eye contact, 24/7 customer service availability, strict service and cleanliness standards. Daily operations are structured to ensure consistency and high quality guest experience. Next is outcomes or results. High customer satisfaction ratings, positive online reviews, loyal repeat customers, and strong teamwork among staff. Sedano Valley believes a strong culture leads to better service, which improves the company's reputation and success. Lastly is employee adaptation, learning company standards and service style, adjusting communication for diverse guests, following hotel protocols and etiquette, and lastly, continuous training and improvement. Employees adapt by aligning their behavior with company values and learning how to interact with different cultures. In real life scenario, a guest from Japan checks into a Sedano Valley in the Philippines. The front desk employee greets the guest politely and bows slightly, respecting Japanese culture. The employee speaks slowly and clearly in English and offers assistance patiently. They provide information about hotel services and nearby attractions. The guest feels respected and comfortable despite being in different countries. In result, the guest leaves a positive review and is likely to return. How employee adapt based on scenario. The employee adjusts communication style with slower speech, clear instructions, shows cultural awareness, politeness, respectful gestures, follows hotel standards, greeting, and professionalism, applies training in real-life situations. In conclusion, employees successfully adapt by combining company standards with cultural understanding, resulting in excellent guest experience. In overall conclusion, the culture of Sedano Valley plays a vital role in shaping employee behavior and delivering excellent guest experience. By focusing on core values such as customer satisfaction, professionalism, and respect for diversity, the organization creates a positive and inclusive environment. Overall, a strong organizational culture not only improves employee performance but also leads to customer satisfaction, loyalty, and business success. Thank you.